I'm Bev Menner. I'm the CEO of Cell Therapies. We're an Australian-based CDMO specialising in advanced therapeutics manufacture. Cell Therapies has been around for 22 years. We're a CDMO that most people have never heard of, and we're really unique, firstly because of our location in Australia. I think we're perfectly poised to serve not just the Australian market, but the Asia-Pac market. We're closely affiliated with the Peter MacCallum Cancer Centre, who's a world leader in cancer therapeutics. So we've got a long history, we have deep expertise, and we can do everything from product development to quality to commercial manufacture and support of clinical trials. I think for us, 2025 and 26, we've got a real focus on Asia Pacific. We are building a network of CDMOs, logistics partners, and a CRO to be able to deliver cell therapies into 5 different countries in addition to Australia and Asia Pac. And we believe this will be a game changer for the region. I think for global developers who want to bring their products to Asia Pac, we can really provide a solution for them that will be a huge benefit. I think the other really interesting thing in the coming year is how do we actually partner with developers in Asia Pac to bring their intellectual property out of Asia into the rest of the world. So it really is a big focus for us, and I think we're perfectly positioned to do that work. This conference has just been an amazing opportunity to connect with partners and potential clients from the European side of the globe, which for us is really important. I think we want not only to find clients that sit in Europe, but we're looking for other partners, CDMO partners and like-minded people, so that we can actually work to find solutions and deliver these therapies around the globe.